Today's main project is getting our new garden plot started. I've started garden plots before and the ground is always really hard, and this used to be lawn and there was a couple of pine trees here, so there's probably a bunch of roots and a bunch of garbage in there, so it'd be really hard for a tiller to go through it, and also it's really hard breaking this virgin ground, and so I have a secret weapon. I'm going to use this trencher to break up the ground. I have used one of these for this purpose before. This is an 18-inch trencher. I don't really need anything to go really deep. I'm probably only going to go about 8 inches, but that'll be enough to break up the ground and rip out any roots that are in the way. I'm not trying to promote any rental company in particular. One of the reasons I wanted to do a video using this machine is I just kind of wanted to let everybody know, in case you don't know, that there's a lot of rental companies out there that rent tons of different things. The rental fee wasn't bad, about $137 for the trailer and a 4-hour rental, and the cost of gas. Yeah, obviously I have to fill these back up when you take them back. But there's a ton of rental equipment out there. So if you have projects at home, maybe instead of calling somebody, if you're kind of on the verge of doing things yourself, maybe go to one of these rental places and see if there's something there that you can use to get a project done. They do rent this equipment out to the general public, so there's always plenty of illustrations to make sure that you're running the equipment right. So there's some rocks and roots that we knew we'd be contending with when we started this new garden plot. My tiller should be able to go ahead and dig at the edge of these little squares that I made. And in some spots I found these stumps, which I knew they were in here. And so I'll just have to mark them, and the next time we get a stump grinder, grind them out. There's a lot of these larger roots that are deeper in the soil, so some of these I might have to cut out with a Sawzall, but for the most part I should be able to till this up pretty nicely. Make sure that if you ever do rent their equipment that you clean it up. So I'll just be able to take probably a garden hose or something, spray this down pretty well. A lot of places will charge you if you return the equipment dirty. So we're not huge gardeners. Part of the reason that we do this is just so we know how to do it. A lot of people go out and spend hours and hours and hours gardening, get a lot of vegetables, when really you could probably go to the store and get them for cheaper. But like I said, we just like doing this so we know how to do it. It's a little bit of fun, and we got to do things as a family. The little trencher did okay, didn't break down on me. Hopefully our tiller doesn't break down on us when I get ready to finish tilling this up. And that'll be all for this episode of using the wrong tool for the right job.